Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create documents from your photos using your iPhone. This is perfect for turning images into PDFs or other document formats. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your iPhone and find the Notes app. It's the yellow notepad icon. Go ahead and tap. Once you're in the Notes app, tap on the Compose button. Now tap on the screen to bring it up the options menu. Here you can tap on the attach icon. Here you can find various options. Simply choose photo or video. Pick the photo you want to use, then tap on done. Your photos will now be added to the note. You can tap and hold to rearrange them if needed, if you have two or more than photos, and make sure everything looks good. Now, next, to create a document, tap on the share icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select on print. You won't actually print it, instead use the pinch out gesture on the print preview to create a PDF. After you've pinched out, tap on the share icon again. Now you can save it to files, email it, or share it through any app you prefer. Just choose your option and follow the prompts. And that's it. You successfully created a document from your photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.